All right, ladies and gentlemen, Northeast Leasing here, proud to present this beautiful 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. It is the GT model. This beautiful gray or charcoal gray with black leather interior, premium sound system, steerable controls, heated front and back seats, alloy wheels, fog lights, navigation system. Super nice. Only 20,000 miles, and best of all, minimum damage. Your front bumper looks good. Your front hood looks pretty good. Your front fender looks pretty nice. Here's your front driver's rim. I don't see any curbing on this one. Let's check out your tire thread. Just at 630 seconds. This door looks good. This rear door looks good. And this quarter looks very nice. Here's your rear driver's rim. Very nice. I don't see curbing. Your tire thread over 830 seconds. Here's a nice shot of your roof and what that looks like. I don't see any dings, dents, or anything up there. Of course, you got power windows, power door lights, power mirrors. Your front driver's seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat. It does come with 2 key fob combos and owner's manuals. Check out pictures for more details. Let's turn on this vehicle for you. All right. Got your AM, FM, CD player, Onyx, and all that good stuff. Got your Navi system. Boom. Got your backup camera. Pow. AC controls right down below. Heated seats and heated steering. Steering controls on this side as well as this side. This is what your instrument cluster looks like. You see no lights on or any issues, and your mileage of 20,963. Very nice. Let's check out the rest of the vehicle. Actually has some power buttons here. Boom, boom. They work out. Is your rear passenger seat. No holes, no tears, no rips. Looks good. Likewise in your third row. No holes, no tears, no rips. Does have rear running ACs. Rear running or rear AC controls. And of course right here, a little button. Right here is your heated seats right there. Boom. Coming around. Rear bumper does have a heavy scratch here, about 2 inches. That's what your trunk space looks like. Pretty big and spacious. These seats do fold down. It does have a little button here which folds this this door down, closes this door. Your deck lid or lift gate looks good. This quarter here looks pretty good. Here's your rear driver's rear passenger rim. Very nice, no curbing. Tire thread over 830 seconds. This door looks good. This front door looks good. Check it out. The other side of the rear passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. Likewise in your third row, no holes, no tears, no rips. Hit the button, closes the door. Front passenger seat, no holes, no tears, no rips. It is a powered seat as well. Fender looks good. Front passenger rim looks good. Tire thread, 630 seconds. And I should have turned on the lights, which I did not. And fog lights, fog lights. All right, folks. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, this is the 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT model with 20,000 miles. If you guys have any questions, concerns, please don't hesitate to ask. Thank you and happy bidding.